I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin access in Business Manager and making sure your primary payment method is added and verified. Once done, open Ads Manager billing settings and note the current billing threshold and any spend limits. Make sure account identity and business details are complete because Facebook evaluates these when you request a threshold increase. You'll need accurate tax info and 3+ months of activity or a history of on-time payments to move forward with stronger thresholds. You now focus on gradual, measurable increases. Raise daily campaign budgets slowly and track spend and delivery for 1 to 2 weeks. Once you demonstrate consistent spend and no payment problems, go to billing payment settings and request a higher billing threshold or contact support through Business Help. Explain recent spend trends and attach invoices or card statements if asked. Facebook values predictable payment behavior, so keeping disputes low and making timely payments accelerates approval. You finish by confirming the new threshold in billing and launching a controlled campaign to validate the limit. If Facebook denies the increase, check the rejection reason, usually business verification, unresolved payment issues, or high dispute rates. Fix the specific flag, then reapply after 7-14 days. Keep clear records of invoices and payment confirmations to speed future reviews, and if problems persist, escalate with support and include your account, spend history, and verification documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.